Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be responding to this very question, which says, thank you sir, please I'm a beginner, so how would I know when it increased or lost? So with respect to these questions, we're gonna go into make a video today on how to track your profit and loss while trading cryptocurrency. Okay, so before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. All right, so the first thing you just need to do is to make a choice of a particular coin you want to trade. All right, so if you make a choice of a particular coin you want to trade, then you can talk about how you can track your profit or loss. So let's say we're gonna going to deal with this BTC. So if we deal in this BTC, then we just like I've dropped a lot of videos that shows you how to trade. All right, but I will be dropping a video that shows you how to trade short or long. Okay, so that as a beginner you can get that clearly and know what exactly you're doing. All right. So let's quickly dive into that. I'm going to go into place my trade here, and it's going to be on short. So, no, sorry, on long. So I'm going to go into trade long here. So as I explained in my previous video, you must take your leverages and orders. Okay, so set up the necessary thing. Let's say because of the leverages, we're going to go into trade with 10,000, right? Yeah, 10,000 USD. And how much are we using here? How much does it cost? It costs 1,000 USD. Okay, if I'm using, okay, let's say I'm using 1,000. How much does it cost? It costs 100. Okay, so if it costs 100, then this is what we're gonna going to do. Coming down to this place, come here to make sure you set your stop loss and also take profit. So the first thing you must do is to first set your take profit. Okay, let's say my take profit is going to be 107, I think, and my estimated profit and loss is going to be 926. That would be a very good one if it gets to this very figure. Okay, so coming down here to set my stop loss, I will bring my stop loss to like 100. Okay, 100. All right, I bring it to 100, and my estimated profit and loss was going to also show as well. Okay, if this was all, let me just say 99. Okay, 99. Let me just say 99. So I'm gonna go into like click on this. The TP you set is opposite to the direction of the, okay, let me see. Okay, my estimated liquidity is 93. Okay, and my distance is set to 99. Okay, that is good. Then my other cost is going to be 93. You can see here, and you can see the value I'm going to get is 925,000 USD. Okay, so you're going to first do all these necessary things, then click on confirm in order for you to place your trade. Okay, so now that you have seen that our trade is being set, okay, now you can come to this place. First place you can track your profit is here, because this place is showing you unrealized profit and loss. Okay, whatever is gained there is for you, on an occasion that you manage to quit your trade at the right time. You can see here, whatever is here. Entry price is 102, and the market price is 1029, which makes us in a little profit here right now, and many more of it. Okay, so as I said, the first place you can track your profit and loss is here, because this is where you can be seeing it if it's going up or it's coming down. All right, so the second place that is very vital that you can use to track your profit and loss is this place. Okay, is here. So navigate yourself quickly to this side. You can see here, and you can see up here is written P&L. This P&L means profit and loss. Okay, so whatever is happening, you'll be seeing it here. If you're making a profit, it will be showing here. And as well, if you're making a loss, it will also be showing here. Okay, so you can see here the current profit and loss here is what is plus 0.94. You can see that. Okay, it's plus 0.94, and right now is what is plus 1. Okay, plus 1.6. So it's actually fluctuating, and we're going to go into like stay patient a little to see what the market holds. So I do believe now that you really know how to track your profit and loss while trading cryptocurrency. Okay. All right, so this brings me to the end of this amazing very video. If you do have any question, please drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. All right, so thank you so much. If you do have any question, let me know before I go. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.